Time to go scope out the new cab, bros. Fingers crossed that it's not a roached out turd. So we're driving 2.5 hours. Whoop. Fueled up, bros. We got some caffeine and anger for breakfast. Fuck yeah. Caffeine and anger wasn't going to hold us over long enough.
I will swing my axe. Don't let the flames go down. Carve out some of that kindling. There's plenty of wood around.
What are you hoping to get out of it?
Just some usable sheet metal. Shaves, I guess. Obviously the floor, firewall, cab wall, door guts, all that stuff, all the inner structure gone. Something purpose built just to jump, you know.
Yeah.
It's bare minimum shit, you know.
I think people might think it's kind of funny that you don't think Wild Child was purpose built to do everything that you've been doing with him.
It's not. It wasn't built to do what it's doing, you know. He just kind of forced it along and doesn't realize it shouldn't be going that far.
He don't know what he's
He
doing.
doesn't know. He doesn't know. Coach definitely done his job. Definitely saved my ass a handful of times. Kind of deserves it. Like, chill out, take it easy.
Yeah, don't fear. We're keeping Wild Child, so don't get any ideas.
Yeah.
I definitely have claim, so.
That's all this thing's gonna be for. It's just strictly for jumping, nothing more. You know. I'll probably catch some flack for not putting it in the mud and, you know, shit like that, but I don't know. That's not what it's for. It's still gonna be a mega truck, but I don't care about dragging it through the dirt. Dirt, yeah, mud, no. I don't care about that.
I'm good with that. Maybe I get more free time, not pressure washing for hours on it.
Yeah. But eventually we'll, you know, Wild Child will still be in the mud. Maybe a little bit more than it used to be. But
Yeah. So we're putting the 540 back in Wild Child.
yeah, we'll put the big block. We still got all that garbage. We'll put the big block back in it and scale it down. Maybe put a smaller blower on it and not wick it up as hard. That way it'll live longer. You know.
It's like Wild Child Sunday Drive era.
Yeah, retired life. Retired life. Yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Be an adventure. You know.
For sure.
And it's something I feel compelled to do. I don't know why I feel like I have to do this. You know. I don't know what. I don't owe it to anybody to do it, but I just can't get the thoughts out of my head. Like, I know we can do better. I know we can do a lot better. I know it. I know we can. Definitely want to do a bunch of testing with it. I think we're going to put the thing together, bare metal, and like jump it a good handful of times, like really sneak up on it to make sure everything's cool before we blow it apart and powder coat it, make it look pretty and shit. Never fails. Every time I powder coat the chassis, I end up fucking hacking the thing in half. Doing more shit to it. It's like never done. It's ever evolving. So.
Well, even when you think it's done, you're not going to be done with it.
Yeah, true.
Can't count how many times you've told me that you're not going to cut up Wild Child, you're not going to do this, not going to do that, and the next thing I know, you have fucking jigsaw in your hands and you're just like...
Yeah. Yeah, but I think it took some like its limitations. I don't think it's. I don't know, they could probably go farther and keep pushing on it, but you know, I just want to package the whole thing differently and like centralize the weight as much as possible. That way we can maybe push weight around on the truck, you know, to make it fly a little better. You know, keep the front end like as light, like structurally strong, but like accessory wise, like light as possible, so we can load weight where we want, where we think it's best, and where the truck feels like it needs it. You know, and I'm talking like minimal, like race car skinny batteries, just what you need, just exactly what we need, and nothing more. You know, I'm not gonna hang a bunch of fucking Christmas lights on it and this, that, and the other shit. If it doesn't need to be on there, it's not gonna be on there. You know, or no rear steer at all. You don't need rear steering to jump the truck. That's all this thing's gonna be for. It's just strictly for jumping, nothing more. Got some cool shit in the works for it already. Keith at Overtime's got some cool shit going for us. I got some other ideas on axle housings to make them, you know, a bit stronger. I've been researching a lot of steel, different steels, different structural steels to use. It'd be cool. And I'm playing around with tires too. I'm gonna try a couple of different tire sizes on it when we're testing it and see what it likes the best.
Yeah. More than the 18Ls or the 20Ls? You're gonna try a different size too? Or
Possibly. Yeah, I was thinking like we put the 18Ls on Wild Child and, you know, calm it down, get it to hook up better, and I thought for sure it's gonna slow the truck down. But it did not. The Hemi doesn't give a shit what's on the corners. It does not care. But then I don't know if the tire size is gonna like get too much tire and too much weight, and it's gonna affect how far it goes. You know, whatever. So I try to keep the chassis and stuff on this new thing as light as possible, but still structurally strong. You know, around the cage area and stuff like that, around the cab. Keep it as strong as I can.
yeah, safety first. Truck doesn't fly without you.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be a cool adventure.
Yeah. Is this a Project Adventure, or are we releasing the name?
I don't know. I haven't thinking about names, but I don't think you can just like, I don't know, I feel like you can't just pick out a name ahead of time. You know, I think the name's gonna come to you as you're building the shit, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of like Wild Child, like it wasn't never intended on being Wild Child, and, you know, until that evening when the song came on, and you're like knee deep in the truck, and it's like, holy shit. Yeah.
Destiny.
It's awesome. Yeah. Like, it, you know.
Well, maybe when I post this, everyone can comment what you think the next name will be or should be.
Yeah.
I'd like to hear what the people think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if we pick your name, which we probably won't, we'll give you a free t-shirt.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
My pockets are empty, my patience is torn.